If you're having some amazing question, so for x, given that what x plus 1 is equal to x, let's solve it. And the normal thing we are going to do is what? X plus 1. You subtract 1 here, you subtract x here, is equal to what? X minus x. Hence at the end, you are going to be having what? 1 is equal to 0. And actually, this is not correct. What if you plot this on the line? If you plot this on a number line, you are going to have what? The graph of x will be a straight line crossing at this entry, and the graph of x plus 1 will be what? A graph here. Here is x plus 1, and here is x. Meaning there will not be a point of intersection between the two. Well, now if we introduce a modulus symbol to solve for this question. Okay, the modulus of x is equal to what? You dive onto what? X, if x is what? Greater than 0, and minus x, if x is what? Less than 0. And for x plus 1, the modulus will be what? Will be equal to what? X plus 1, if what? X is greater than 0, and x plus 1, that is negative of this, if x is less than 0. Okay? And hence if you plot this on the graph, if you draw the inequality table of this, is what? For modulus of x, or modulus of x plus 1, in case if x is greater than 0, we are going to be having what here? X, and here we are going to have x plus 1. Now, if your x is between negative 1, less than or equals to x, which is less than 0, we are going to be having what? Minus x here, and we are going to have what? X plus 1 here. On the other side, if x is less than negative 1, we are going to be having what here? Minus x, and on this other side of x plus 1. That's what you're going to be having. And you're going to solve for x in this different variety of question. Okay, for the first one, in case x is greater than 0, you're going to be having what? X is equals to what? X plus 1. And this will turn to 0 is equals to 1. That is impossible. In the second case, if in this case x negative 1 less than or equals to x, which is less than 0, you are going to be having what? Minus x is equals to what? X plus 1. And you are going to have what? Minus 2x is equals to 1. Therefore, x is equals to minus half. So switch it here. In the third case, where x is less than negative 1, having what? Minus x is equals to what? Minus x plus 1. This one is to cancel, and therefore x 0 is equal to 1. That is impossible. Hence, the only case where this is true is in the case where x is in between negative 1 and 0. And you have the answer as x is equal to half.